Hall of Innovation at Global Sources Mobile Electronics. It's the world's biggest mobile sourcing show. And the Hall of Innovations is through this impressive, Hall of Innovation, I should say, it's through this impressive looking archway. It's taking over all of Hall 1 here at AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong. So as you join us on this saunter through a hall full of hundreds of booths of the latest technologies, innovations, brands, and we've also got some showcases of VR and AIoT technology to look at. If you feel excited about all of this and wish to join us, you can do that by going to globalsources.com/exhibitions. There you'll be able to pre-register for free admission to the show, and you can also preview all 3,700 booths of suppliers and products right here at the show. That's the Hall of Innovation, Startup Launchpad over here on the other side in Hall 2, and the whole rest of the show up to Hall 11. Covering smart devices, that's smartphones, tablets, and whatever else you can get in there, accessories, wearables, and AR and VR. We're approaching Hall 1 now, as you can see by the impressive lit-up sign. And yeah, we're going to have a look around, maybe see if we can chat quickly to a couple of exhibitors about their exciting new products, but mainly just to give you a look at what is on here at our newest hall at the Mobile Electronics Show. This is devices and wearables. So the whole show is divided into different verticals: devices, wearables, mobile accessories, what have you. You can find all that on the website as well. And then within the Hall of Innovation, of course, you've got exhibitors broken up into categories too. So over here on the left, YOLOTEL, they make smartphones and all. A lot of the brands here offer a kind of complete package of tiered offerings. You can have your entry-level smartphones, 3G and 4G, depending on what's needed, right up to premium, so you can maximize your revenue from the branded products you're bringing into your retail offering. Okay, this is, where are we going? Oh yeah, let's head for the Analyst Choice Zone first. And now, Analyst Choice is well, we can show you something here. So here's a product that's won an Analyst Choice Award, and you'll see these little certificates on selected products around the show, and that's also a program that runs online at globalsources.com, whereby our expert analysts go through all the thousands of products that are being added to the website, or indeed the thousands of products here at the show, and select the best, the best in each category, at their price point, for special features, whatever it is that makes them really worth a second look. And you can search for those on the website and indeed filter products by whether or not they've got the AC award, but you can also find them here at the show. And we have a special area dedicated to the Analyst Choice program. Just wandering here past VJJB from Korea. They've got a lot of audio products on offer, so portable speakers, headphones, earphones, true wireless stereo earbuds. Another important landmark, the wine and cappuccino bar. That's where you turn in your coupons for your free drinks. But over here is the Analyst Choice Zone. Now, let's not catch up our cable. So there are two components to this. The closest part here, empty at the moment because it's break time. This is the conference area. And what's up next today is what's next in mobile and wireless. We've got a whole program starting at 1:30 involving Canalys, China Mobile Research Institute, Envisionate, and the Hong Kong Wireless Technology Industry Association. And then after that, it's the Mobile Phone CEO Summit. So if you're close enough to Hong Kong, you could still get here in time to attend those talks and indeed go to the networking cocktail party after the mobile phone one. But aside from the seminars, which are, by the way, all free if you are registered for Mobile Electronics Show, we also have this showcase zone, which is broken into different categories, highlighting the best products here at the show. Here we've got AI and IoT. So, for example, TalkBo, that's an interactive robot that teaches languages. Alexa enabled smart bulb. Over here, that display case is facing the other way, so I can't read it. Fingerprint enabled padlock. And actually got several fingerprint scanning padlocks, so you can compare and contrast there. And a book scanning desk lamp, so OCR your physical books and turn them into e-books for you. Mobile phones and tablet PCs, kind of the core of mobile in a way. So this is a senior phone, they call it, which is to say a phone for old people, nice kind of large print on it. And over here, this is an AI speaker that works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So it's got a 1.4-inch screen on it. You'll also see there's laptops and tablets in there, one doubling as a digital TV. The innovative products area. Now, of course, everything in Anders Choice is a little bit innovative, but these are particularly be called out for being unusual. So wireless headphones with digital hybrid noise cancelling, heart rate chest strap, and an underwater photography drone that follows the diver along and adjusts lighting dynamically to account for the underwater conditions. And then the last segment here we have is smart wearables. So of course you're talking about fitness bracelets and in this case smart watches. Smart watches definitely looking a lot more fashionable than they were just a few years ago. You can see here like a step counter bracelet is built into this otherwise analog looking watch. So that's a very brief zoom around the Analyst Choice Zone. And next let's swing by the VR experience zone. This is pretty good. This is where HTC Vive, industry leader HTC Vive, very kindly bring along, I say kindly, I assume they get something out of it as well, but they put on a display of their latest content and the latest things they've got going on in their VR ecosystem. And this is good timing. I think we can catch a glimpse of some people trying out the VR games on offer. So here we are, the VR Experience Zone. This game you're looking at here is called, it's called Box VR, as you can see. Unfortunately someone just stopped playing Audio Shield, the rhythm game. We're on a little break now, I think. It's about to start up again, yeah. And you can catch on the screen up here what she is seeing from her headset. Now, I don't want to disparage anyone. I do think she's playing it on easy mode. I think there's a lot more motion involved in the final thing. Let's have a quick look. Unfortunately, someone just stopped playing. This is a kind of rhythm game. Audio Shield, you smash blocks as you go along. This from, what are they called? 9D. This is a new... well, there's not much to look at here because it's a space, but specifically it's a VR space that accommodates 4 players simultaneously, and they have a variety of content offerings there. As you can see from the headset, if you can make it out, that's also running on the Vive platform by HTC. And then if you can see it's there in the background, this white neon wheel number, that's the VR Knight. That's a motorcycle shaped kind of controller, I suppose you'd call it, and that will seat up to, well, that will accommodate up to 8 players. That one bike won't seat 8 people, that would be ridiculous. Let's move on. They're also offering here in the Experience Zone, you can try Overview, a virtual journey through space, and on the left, this guy is, who works for HTC Vive, and therefore I hope is on break now, is trying out Oasis Beta. So if you've seen, what's it called, Ready Player One, that's the game from that, and HTC have teamed up and licensed that content. So, earphones, headphones, and brackets for your phone. And over here, the more kind of computer products, laptops is the mobile show, so yeah, laptops and tiny projectors that you can take anywhere. Let's see if we can see one of those, see how tiny it actually is. Those guys are GoTop at booth 1H46. New mobile, offering smartphones and what is that actually? Game Zoom. Yeah. What does it do?
This is with speakers and also for playing games.
You just put
and
your phone
also
here.
with wireless charging.
Oh, okay. So you just drop your phone there whenever you come home.
Yes.
Nice. Wireless chargers, among other things. You can see they've got another, well, you probably can't see in this cluster of people, but they have another Analyst Choice Award on the shelf there. And this is another kind of special attraction. It is the AIoT Park, and that is the artificial intelligence of things. So not only Internet of Things, but AI-enabled products. So we have exhibits from the Zigbee group here, We've got things like the iFlyRX smart conference system from iFlyTech, and I believe, Tencent Cloud is the other participating industry heavyweight here. So this is not so much a sourcing zone as it is a showcase of the new technologies that are up and coming, so you can be prepared to source for them, taking them into account as you go about your business. So let's see. So Semax here offering laptops and hybrid laptops. In fact, what else we got? iLife. Again, some nice lightweight Windows 10 laptops there. And ZTech, or probably ZTech, I guess, telecom. Some smartphones. And over here, as you can see, just a huge array of branded, innovative, and high-tech products, kind of crossing all the product categories that we have here at the show. We won't have time to really go and look at all of them in depth, but thank you very much for watching this so far. Once again, if you want to come down here and source these products for yourselves, talk to the suppliers, and come and play on the VR games over there, then you can do that by going to globalsources.com/exhibitions. You'll be able to pre-register for free admission and contact suppliers directly if you want to set up a meeting with them before you come to the show. So do that. The show runs until the 21st of October right here at AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong, just a couple of minutes train journey from the airport. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.